Hi folks, Andrew the Fulgor Milano guy here, and I'm going to show you once you've received your customized nameplate, how to install it on your range. Every range ships from the factory with Gianni Menenghetti's signature engraved on the stainless steel plate. So we have our beautiful nameplate package with a thank you message from Mr. Menenghetti. And here's the new nameplate. So the new nameplate that you'll receive comes with a new set of screws and the tool to remove and install. Remove the old one and install the new one. So we use our little Allen key and simply unscrew these. And then this is just pressed in. It's kind of a little bit of a soft area, but it's a tight fit. You can just use this tool as well, stick it in through the hole and pry it out. It should just pop right out. And then put the new one in. So you can see it's got the screws with it. There's the other one. Just insert it in place like that. So yeah, easier if you put the screw on the end of the tool first. That'll help you thread it in and insert it rather than trying to put the screw in initially with your fingers. And there's your new customized Sofia range.